benefits of automating content marketing. As we continue our journey into mastering content marketing automation, today's lesson focuses on the myriad of benefits of automating your content marketing efforts. By understanding these advantages, you can better leverage automation tools to not only streamline your operations but also significantly enhance your marketing outcomes. Welcome back. I'm Savan Kumar, and today we are diving into the core benefits of content marketing automation. Automation isn't just about doing less work. It's about doing smarter work. Let's explore how automating your content marketing can transform your strategy from being good to great. Yes, greatness is what we are after. Our first major benefit is efficiency and time savings. By automating routine tasks like posting on social media, sending emails, or even content curation, you free up valuable time to focus on creative and strategic tasks. Imagine reclaiming hours every week that were once lost to manual, repetitive tasks. That's time you could spend on developing new ideas, exploring market trends, or even just talking or taking a well-deserved break. Next, we have scalability, and this is important. Automation makes it easier to scale your content marketing efforts without a corresponding increase in your workload or resources. So you are able to scale without having to scale up other things in the same proportion. So the time you spend, the resources you need would be required a lot less when compared to the scale that you can achieve with marketing automation. Whether your audience grows from hundreds to thousands or you are expanding the type of content you produce, automation supports that growth seamlessly. Scalability is about growing smartly. It's about ensuring quality does not drop as quantity increases. This is important. With scalability, when you scale, it's important that your quality does not suffer when you are increasing your quantity. With the right automation tools, you can maintain or even improve the personal touch as your operations expand, which brings us to enhanced personalization. Today's consumers expect content that speaks directly to their needs and interests. You only open an email when it talks exactly about you or the problems you are facing. You look at a Facebook or an Instagram Shorts when it directly connects with you. It does not randomly throw content on you. So it's about enhanced personalization. Automation tools can analyze data to segment audiences and customize content, making each interaction more relevant and engaging. Personalization, I would say, is a game changer. It's the difference between a customer feeling like just another email address on your list and you being spamming them versus feeling like you truly understand and value them when you address them by their name, when you address them by their recent purchases that they made, or when you address them with their birthday and offer them a special birthday gift or an anniversary gift. So these are the basic personalizations that I'm talking about, but you can take it further. Consistency is yet another benefit. Consistent content delivery builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. So one of the key to being successful in content marketing is being consistent. And you can only be consistent when you have all of the right automations in place, because if everything is to be done by you, life will happen to you. Something or the other will go wrong and you will stop creating new content, or you will not mail them, or something would go wrong and you would lose track. You would no longer be consistent. Automation ensures that your content strategy is executed reliably, maintaining a steady flow of content across all channels. Consistency in your messaging and posting schedule helps establish your brand as a reliable source of information, which is crucial for building long-term relationships with your audience. Well, why I say this is because when you are consistent with your content, your audience start waiting for your content. So let's say you have a content, you share a particular type of content every week. After a certain period of time, a couple of months, your audience will start trusting you and start waiting for your next content, for your next update, for the next news that you have for them, or whatever the tips and tricks that you are sharing. So the audience would start waiting for the next tip and trick, for the next Monday tip and trick, or the Q&A sessions, whatever you are sharing in your content. The audience would start trusting you, believing on you, and consider you as a reliable source of information for the same. Finally, you have data-driven decision making. That the word data-driven, this makes the entire digital marketing platform the biggest game changer. You have data in your hand. You can analyze it, you can review it, you can make decisions based on it. Automation tools provide valuable insights into content performance, audience behavior, and much, much more. Now, this data allows you to make informed decisions about your content strategy, optimizing for better results over a period of time. So with these insights, you can fine-tune your approach, focusing on what works best for your audience, what timing works best for your audience, what type of content works best for your audience, and your goals ultimately. It's about continually learning and adapting, which is essential in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. This is the key. You have to keep learning, keep adapting, keep taking feedbacks, keep taking the data, analyze, and redo the things. Re-strategize, rebuild the things. And this wraps up our exploration of the benefits of content marketing automation. By now, I am sure that you would be amazed by the power of content marketing automation has, and you would be eager to know how exactly can you be doing it. But before jumping into the practical aspects of content marketing, we will be talking a little more. So like it says here, I hope you are starting to see how automation can not only make your life easier, but also significantly enhance the impact of your content marketing efforts. In our next lesson, we will begin to unravel the myths surrounding content marketing automation and set the record straight. To have a lesson summary, in this lesson we covered the key benefits of automating content marketing, including efficiency, scalability, enhanced personalization, improved consistency, and data-driven decision making. Now these advantages underscore the transformative potential of automation in content marketing strategies. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we will address common myths and misconceptions about content marketing automation. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.